Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're looking at lesson 3 of code.org, looking at one of the practice activities where we're debugging, fixing a stoplight. So if you look over here to the right, what we want to do is have the outline of the stoplight in black, and we can see that this is in gray, so that obviously is not going to work for this. And then if you notice, the yellow and green are in the wrong spots as well. So just from looking at this, I would say that we need to access these, or change black to these three right here, which has to do with the rectangles, these rectangles right here. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So we're just going to go ahead and move this one up here. And let's go ahead and run that a minute and see. Okay, so now we have this, so we're kind of on the right path here. So now we need to just change a couple other things. So we have our red, and that is obviously not the correct location. So let's go ahead and maybe we'll just move this one up here. Let's try this. All right, so now we have 2 of them. Obviously, we're kind of out of order here. So let's go ahead and move the green. Move the green up here. Let's see if that fixes anything. I have a feeling it's going to put the green here, though. Yep, so we're in the wrong spot. So we just need to flip these 2, okay? So what we need to do is have the green covering this ellipse, or the yellow covering that ellipse, and the green covering this ellipse. And really this is just a matter of how we need to rearrange the order of the colors, and we just had them kind of in not the correct way. So we need to have the black for the rectangles, and then we need to fill in the red for this ellipse, yellow for this ellipse, and green for this ellipse. And then that should fix it for us, and we have the correct thing. All right, so hopefully this helps you with your coding, and good luck.